My dear children, I am about to introduce the eminent staff members, the faculty members, with whose intellectuality and hard effort the institution is running more successfully from last 1 decade. In the first place, it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce Mr. Nagaraj, whose face is very familiar to you during the time of admissions and during other occasions, and the vice principal and spine and brain behind the growth of this institution. Hi everyone. And at the same time, I have to introduce one more management faculty and a stalwart in computer science teaching with all 18 years of teaching experience, who is not present here. He has not come to college due to his personal reasons. Tomorrow you are about to meet him when sir starts his classes after his self-introduction. And again I will call upon Mr. Chandrasekhar the great eminent teacher in the Department of History. But more than a teacher, he works more than a real student. In such a manner, he comes with all preparations to the class, with bulk of information, and make the students highly intelligent and intellectual in the subject. And one among the eminent strengths who are working for the better development of this institution. Mr. Srinath. Mr. Srinath, lecturer in English, of course, an anglicized man, a wonderful English lecturer, having wide experience in teaching, and you will never feel it English as a difficult subject. In such a manner, sir simplifies the subject and teaches you well, and which makes you to love the language, and particularly to learn the language, which is highly essential for your future growth. Thank you, Mr. Srinath. ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಅಪಾರ ಅನುಭವಿಗಳು, ಸರಳ ಜೀವಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂತಹ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ನೀಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರತವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ರವರು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಿರತವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಇವರನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಲು ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ Head of the Department of Business Studies. I think actually you are aware of the subject business studies at the time of admission. But it is this Ambarish sir who makes business studies highly simple and meaningful and gives you immense information regarding the subject, which is necessary for you to make your life more successful and also for the better growth of this institution. Thank you, Mr. Ambarish. Thank you, sir.
Hi students.
Kumari Vani, Vanendra Saraswati. So she is really Vani in the subject business studies and also in the different subjects of the commerce. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce Vani as not only a lecturer, but a storehouse of knowledge. Highly simple, ideal in teaching, makes the subject very simple, and also works for better growth of your future and institution. Thank you, Vani madam.
Thank you. Hello students.
Mrs. Tajunisa. The most important element that is required to each and every human being in life is maintaining proper account, balancing the life. So I have no words to speak about Mrs. Taj madam, who is spine and brain of accounts department in the college. A renowned lecturer not only in the Talur and in the entire district. Highly simple and highly intellectual and highly friendly towards students. Works hard for the better benefit, growth, development of both the students and the institution. Thank you, madam.
Hello students.
Again, I am with great pleasure introducing Srimati Madhavi, a wonderful economics lecturer. And if you hear the class of this little star, you will feel wonder. A dedicated lecturer, highly intellectual, is having wide experience serving in different institutions. And it is our fortune to have this lecturer to the Department of Economics. And her simplicity in teaching and her depth of knowledge will indeed makes you to surprise while you start hearing the online class of this great teacher, Mrs. Madhavi, lecturer in economics. Come on, Suma. Suma.
Hello, students.
Suma. Flower. A person with almost smiling face, friendly in nature, highly intellectual in computer science, who is working as lecturer in computer department. Really, Suma, like other all staff members of the college, is an asset to this institution. You will come to know the style of teaching, the method of teaching, and the depth of knowledge this madam is having while she starts classes for you through online. Thank you, madam. Again, it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce the head of the office, superintendent of the office, who is in charge of entire office work of Vivekananda University College. Works hard, with all smiling face, never feels fatigue, and friendly with the students, treats the students affectionately as madam treats her children at home. So it gives me immense pleasure to introduce Srimati Chitra, who is Chitra, who is in charge of office. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Come on, sir. He is the biggest assistant of the college, Mr. Ravi Kumar. No day starts without Ravi, our son, and no night starts without moon, especially for 15 days. But he is the combination of both Ravi and Surya, sun and moon, Mr. Ravi Chandra, who is the strength of this institution and eminent caretaker of you children in all aspects, along with other great intellectual, industrious staff members of this institution. Ravichandran is also one among them. And management is very happy to have this type of strong and stouty, service-minded gentleman in this college. Thank you, Ravi sir. Okay, children. So I gave you the clear information about the indoor strength of the college, introducing all the eminent, excellent, service-minded, senior-most staff members of Vivekananda Pre-University College, whose hard sweat and dedication is particularly behind the success of this institution, both in Chintamani Taluk and Chikbalapura district. And